Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to mount these two servos, ultrasonic sensor and camera on the brackets. You need to prepare this accessory to complete the assembly. Firstly, install servo arms on this bracket. As the holes on servo arm are too small, you need to make it bigger to ensure screw can pass through the hole. You can use this screw to make the hole bigger. These two holes need to be processed. The holes on this servo arm also need to be enlarged. Make the third hole on this side and the fourth hole on this side bigger. I have already processed servo arm before operation, so I used the processed servo arm to demonstrate the assembly. Put this servo arm on the bracket like this. Then screws in the third hole on both sides of servo arm. After that, mount the short servo arm on the side of bracket. Screw in the enlarged holes. After that, attach servo to this bracket. Pay attention, these two holes should face up. Insert the servo into this hole with the navel facing you. Then use screw to fix it. Go on, install the other servo on the camera bracket. Insert the servo into this hole and fix it with screw. Come to the next step. Attach ultrasonic sensor to this bracket. Align the ultrasonic sensor with these four holes. Continue. Install camera. Align camera with these four holes. Mount columns on the bracket first. Next, screw in columns. Fix camera to the bracket. Ports on camera should face inwards. After the camera is installed, connect the wire to the port on camera. Keep going, connect the wire to ultrasonic sensor, and mount the ultrasonic sensor on this bracket. Next, attach this bracket to it. These two brackets should be parallel. Please do not rotate the servo arm after it is inserted into the servo shaft and remove it. If you do this, you need to center the servo first, then continue the assembly. I will show you how to center the servo. Insert two batteries into this holder case. Then, turn on it. Next, connect this wire to number 2 PWM servo port. Red wire connects to positive terminal, brown wire connects to negative terminal, and yellow wire connects to signal terminal. Do not invert terminals, otherwise servo will be damaged. After that, connect the other wire to number 1 PWM servo port. Next, turn on TurboPi. Servo will be centered automatically. When the bouncer sounds and servo makes small noise, servo are centered successfully. Lastly, remember to turn off TurboPi and unplug wires.